This conference will now be recorded.
So you open a browser, okay? Any browser you open. So I'll write the statements also very clearly to you so that you can easily catch that. In your blog itself, I'll write, so not to make a duplicate again. The computer base itself, I'll show you. So you open any browser, Priti. Open any browser, either Chrome, Firefox, Microsoft Edge, Internet Explorer, any browser you open. So after that, first what we are going to do, so we are going to how to download files from websites. Okay, so this is the question and we'll see how to do this scenario. Now first step is open any browser. You know what are all the browsers, right? Any browser. So the browser is Google Chrome browser, Google Chrome, Firefox, Microsoft Edge or Internet Explorer, and a Safari browser. So these are the browsers. Any browser you open, then second step. What is the second step? So type the URL, type the website URL in the address bar, in the browser address bar. In browser address bar. What is the browser address bar? This one is the browser address bar. Okay, this part is called address bar. So let me open. I am opening a Firefox. This is the Firefox symbol. Here I am opening one website, that is Selenium. I'll open Selenium.dev. So this is the website I am opening. So this is the official website of Selenium. Here we can download some files. Selenium.dev. Okay, so then you go to downloads tab. Here downloads tab is there. Go to downloads. Any website you can go, you can find the downloads and you can download. See that here the Selenium server grid is the one file. So this, if you click on this, it will start downloading. Then we have a Internet Explorer driver server. Another one you can download in 32-bit Windows IE, 64-bit Windows IE. Or you can see here download is there. Download. Click on download. I will download this Java. Okay, Java I will download. Click on download. Click on download. So the version you are downloading is 3.141.5. It will be there very clear indications what version you are downloading. All these versions will be there. What date they have released this version. Everything will be there. So just click on download. When you click on download, the file will download. But where it will go? It will ask you where you want to download. Save file. I'll just click on save file. Okay. So you will get a file, zip file. A zip is going to compress all the files. That's a zip, archive files. So it's saved. Where you can find this saved file, downloaded file? Where you can find this? So in the top right side, you can see the arrow mark. You click on this arrow mark, it will show downloaded file. It will show here. See, this is the zip file. So this icon, zip icon is there. The folder zip icon. Selenium-Java 3.141.zip. .zip is the extension for zip files. And show all downloads. you can click on this icon, or you can click on this show all downloads. So it will go to downloads folder in our computer. It will store there. When you download, basically any downloaded file you can find in the downloads folder of our computer. So now you can go here, either you can click there, it will take you to that page, or you can open your Windows Explorer, and the left side you click on this downloads. So see that this today we downloaded this. See the date and time also will be there, and the type of file compressed zip file. This is the compressed zip file. Now I don't want this file in this downloads folder. I want to place it some other location. How can I place? So what we need to do? First you have to create a folder there. Then you cut it. Cut. Right click. There is an option cut. Cut is not there. You select first. One time you click, then right click. You have a cut option. Or the shortcut is for cut is Control X. Control X, if you do, it will cut. So this is the cut. Cut it. So then your symbol is it will go like this. Then you go to any drive. So I'm placing in the C drive one folder. I'll create a new folder. Right click. You know how to create a new folder. New folder. Selenium info. Something I'm giving. Selenium info. Folder I created. In this folder inside I will go. I'll paste it here. Just paste it. That's it. So this is the how to download files and moving the from downloads to your required folder. So let's write all these steps. So type the website URL in the browser address bar, press enter key. So then what you need to do? Press enter key from keyboard. So no doubts until this, right? Then choose the file to download. Click on download. Click on download link. Click on download link. So then you click on download link. It will download to file will download downloads folder. So this is the how to download. Okay. Next, how to move from downloads to specific folder in your computer. Next is how to move downloaded file to particular folder. So how can you move this? Okay, so the steps. Go to the download folder, first step. Downloads folder. Second step, select the file. Select the file. Then right click on the file. Fourth option, choose cut option. Choose cut option or control key. Control plus X. So this is the CTRL will be there in the keyboard. CTRL control key plus X. This is the shortcut. So this is a shortcut key from the keyboard. This is a shortcut key from the keyboard. Cut. You're cutting that file from that location, moving to other location. That's control X. Next one, you can and then go to the folder. Go to the folder where you want to paste it. So where you want to paste the file. Okay. If file is not there, what you can do? If file is not there, if folder is not there, if folder is not there, create one. Create new folder. Create new folder. So then sixth step, right click on the folder. So seventh step, choose paste or control V. Paste or control plus V. Either one you can do. Control V is the shortcut. Control V is the shortcut. Control V is the shortcut, and the file will be pasted. Right? So can you try this now? So practically you do. If you are not getting time again, that's a problem. We will do here itself so that it will be easy for us. If you are facing problem, we can solve it here quickly.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Yeah, I'm good.
Yeah. So just open any browser. So if you want to open a new tab, shortcut is Control T. Control T, new tab will open to you. Control T. So new tab will open. You can type the URL. Right? You can type the URL. What is the URL? You type selenium.dev. Any one, I'm just telling example. Selenium.dev. Just type selenium.dev. SELENIUM .dev. Dev. 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 Press enter key. This is the website name. Right? This is the website name. And it will open that website to you. Okay. Then click on downloads tab. There is a downloads tab on the top. So take the cursor and put on downloads. So on the top you can see downloads. Yeah, that one. Click on this and then come down. Either one you can download. Either Selenium Server Grid you can download or any one. Just click on this first one. This link, that is a link you click on and it will download. It will download and just click on keep this one. Keep. If you are getting that keep and delete, keep it. And where you can find this in the downloads folder. You go to your downloads of system downloads folder. How to navigate to system downloads folder? Go to this folder icon you click. Folder icon you click and downloads you choose. There is a downloads on the left side. So on the top, downloads, that one also. Click on downloads. See that you can find your file, executable jar file. So you just cut and paste it. So how to cut? Select that file. Yeah, select that file. Right click. You have to right click on that file. You have to right click on, select and right click. So you're removing. Select that. Just right click there only. Cut it. Cut. Yeah. So then go to the C drive. I created one C drive folder. Any drive you create, any folder you go, click on that. So we created a Selenium folder, Selenium info folder. Selenium info folder. Go inside, double click. Yeah. Now you paste it here. Control V or right click, or you can paste it. Right click and paste option is there. You can see paste option. That's it. It will paste here. The file will be pasted. This is how to move file from one location to other location. You're not keeping in two places. Keep the file in one place. So if you want to just copy there. And you can copy the file also, but it will be there in two places. So it will copy all the file here. See, it copied and pasted here. So that is cut. Cut means you are moving completely, removing that location and placing here. That's a cut. Cut and paste. Copy also you can do. Copy and paste also you can do. Okay. Is it clear, Priti? Are you able to do?
Okay, Andy. Good.
So you got it, or any problem?
ఇప్పటికైతే గుడ్ అండి. Let's see.
Okay. Are you able to download or not? That's what.
Yeah.
Okay. Now, one more thing we have to do is, there is a zip file, right? First we download the zip file. Did you download the zip file or only executable jar file you downloaded?
Zip file download చేయలేదండి. The bottom one we did it.
Okay, the bottom one you did. Can you
Yeah.
do a download of zip file? So
Can you
I will
show
tell
me?
you.
Yeah, can you show me again?
Yeah, just go there in the downloads. So in the bottom side you have a zip file. So this Selenium client and WebDriver language bindings. You can download Java. Click on download. Okay, same website you go and you can download. Okay, click on download. So I'll tell you why I'm asking zip file to download, because there are in the zip file inside you have to unzip it. That's another important, how to unzip a zip file. So this is another important point. Okay, this is another thing we should know, how to unzip it, how to unzip the files. So zip means you are combinedly putting in one file. That's a zip file. Okay, unzip means you are moving that zip so that you can use that files wherever you want. Basically you are putting in the one bag all the items, different items. When you open the lock you can use all of them, right? Same this zip also, just locking so that you cannot use directly without opening the zip, right? Same thing here. The zip file you have to unzip it. So are you downloading this?
Not yet అండి. మీరు చూపించండి, తర్వాత చేస్తాను.
Okay, so just this one, just click on download. You do parallelly, that's important. You go to first that website. Any browser you open, go to this website first. Open a website, any browser you open first. So you open this selenium.dev website in the browser. Or you want me to come your window? Priti? Priti, are you there?
సార్ మళ్ళీ సెలీనియం అండ్ .dev/download/ అని టైప్ చేయాలా సార్?
పర్లేదు మీరు downloads you can go, madam. You can go selenium.dev. If you download, that's enough. Just type selenium.dev.
ఓకే.
selenium.dev. Just type it and press enter key. Automatically it will open. Then you have a downloads option here. Click on the downloads. Then it will go here. You can go down little bit and you can do that. Preeti, are you there? I am not listening anything from you.
సార్ జిప్ ఫైల్ అని ఎట్లా ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేస్తాం మనము?
So it is zip is there, right? You can see here zip icon is there. You can see that. And also file type will be zip type. You go and see that file type is a compressed zip. You can see that compressed folder. It will be the file type. Based on the file type, you can tell what type of file it is.
ఓకే సార్. యా, ఒక్క
I
నిమిషం.
don't know, Preeti, are you there? So I'm not listening anything from you. I think she is in mute. Okay. I don't know what happened. Another thing, any media files. Okay, the how to unzip I want to show you, right? We are in how to unzip files. So the next one, I think she is not responding, so that we can continue. How to unzip the zip file. So how to unzip the zip files. How to unzip the zip file. The first step is, the precondition is, first you should have a precondition is, first you should have zip file. Precondition is, you should have zip file in your folder. In your
కాదండి,
folder.
సారీ టు ఇంటరప్ట్. నాది పోయిందండి. అది లాక్ అయింది. ఇది పెట్టండి. ఏమైంది ఇప్పుడు?
Okay, Preeti, you are back. Okay, so tell me what is the problem?
నో సో నాది ఇది లాగ్డ్ అయిపోయింది. కంప్యూటర్ ఫ్రీజ్ అయింది ఒక్కసారి.
Oh, okay. So what you can do, I was talking about, you download the zip file, right?
Okay.
So can you open any browser? Open
Okay.
any browser. Just
Control
type
Selenium.
selenium.dev. Then press enter key.
I did.
Right? You did an enter key.
Mm-hmm.
Are you able to see this page?
Yeah.
Then click on downloads. There is a tabs. These are all called tabs.
Yeah, the tabs. Should I do this Selenium WebDriver?
No, just downloads tab. You just click on downloads. There is a downloads option, right? Can
On
you
the
see
top.
this?
Yeah. Wait,
Yeah.
hold on.
Click on that tab. Click on that.
Mm-hmm.
See, and come down little bit.
Mm-hmm.
There's a Selenium client and WebDriver language binding section below. You have a Java. Java row is there, right? This is a table basically. This is a table. Okay. So in the table, one row Java, and just
Yeah.
click on download. Just click on download.
The Java one? Okay. Download.
Java one. If you have a same download link for all other rows also, but we are
Okay.
clicking Java related one. It will download for you zip file. Okay. So while downloading time, it will tell you still completed or not. So once it is completed, where you can find? You can find in the downloads folder in your system. How can you navigate? Click on this folder icon and go to downloads. If not selected, you can select here. So downloads you select.
ఇది
And then
4
it will
అయినాయి
be,
1 2 3 4 5 ఉన్నాయి ఎందుకంటారు నేను చాలా
you
క్లిక్లు
down,
కొట్టాను
you click it multiple times.
ఓకే సో
So
వాట్ షుడ్ ఐ డు
what you can do, one you keep, other you delete it. You will
Yeah,
come to how to delete the file also, right?
cancel yeah
You can cancel also, or you can delete also.
okay cancel
All
okay
other you can keep one.
okay I just
Keep
kept one
Yeah.
should I
So
click on
keep
that
one. Now you go to the folder. No, don't open that.
Go to
You
the
go to
folder,
the folder. Downloads folder. How can you go to the downloads folder in your system? You click on the folder icon on the bottom side.
yeah the arrow వచ్చింది seleniums I got so many in it
No
yeah
problem. You just know Selenium Java zip file will be there, right? First select one zip file, okay? One zip file. So
okay
you select one zip
select
file.
one yeah
Control X you do, or right click, cut it. Cut it.
wait click one click కదండి yeah కట్
One-
అయిపోయింది
So it will select cut, right? Then go to the folder, any C drive. Go to C drive. You create a one folder, Selenium info something, Selenium softwares or whatever it is. You create a folder. You know
So
how
should
to
I
create a folder.
yeah should I just go to local disk C is that what you're
Yeah.
saying
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
Yes. Go
click
to
on
C
that
drive.
yeah
Click on that. Then you create a folder in the
okay
C drive. Create a folder. How to create a folder? Right click,
right click and new
new folder.
folder yeah
Yeah, you give the name for that, Selenium info or something, right? Selenium software something. You give a name, and then go to inside that folder. Double click that folder, and then paste it.
And
So
double
Control V you can do. That's a shortcut to paste. Control V. So make a note all these points. Control V is for paste.
okay
Control
could
C
not
for
find the item this is no longer located in C users download verify them the location try again అంటున్నారు
I think you have selected a deleted file.
okay so
So
go
you
back
go,
again
go back to the downloads.
okay
Choose the
okay
correct one if it is, whether it is there or not.
okay just click one clicker double clicker
So downloads you double click, it will open to you. Downloads folder will open.
okay
Or one click also fine. One click. So only one file you have. How many files you have like this? Compressed zip files.
ఇప్పుడు నాకు ఏమీ లేదా can I share the screen to you
Yeah, that's what I want.
that's better earlier my got freezed out so I couldn't do it
Mm. Okay, I have given sharing to you.
okay I have to go back at the minus
Share option
yeah
you will get.
ఒక్క నిమిషం ఆగండి, రాలేదు.
You got an option, share option.
మీటింగ్ యా. ఎక్కడుంది షేర్? యా వచ్చిందండి.
I cannot see.
మళ్ళీ పంపియండి ఒకసారి.
Okay. You are the host already. Let me take back.
యా యూ గాట్ ఇట్.
So I'm giving a presenter to you again. Now check that. Yeah, I have given presenter to you. Now you are the presenter. You will get an option share. Just click on share. That's it.
అది క్యాన్సల్ ఒక్కటే ఇస్తుంది, నాకు ఆప్షన్ షేర్ ఇవ్వట్లేదు. దానిపైన
To you. Just press enter key. We'll see.
వచ్చిందా?
No. You cannot see. You're not able to see the share option.
వచ్చింది, షేర్ వచ్చింది, కానీ క్యాన్సిల్ పైన బ్లూ ఉంది, షేర్ పైన డెడ్. ఇట్స్ డామినేట్ గా ఉంది.
Some you need to select. You need to select on the top. See the read something. You want to share the screen, and on the top something you need to select. Then you click on share.
ఓకే.
Just read the statements there on the top. Just buttons above, share buttons above. In that window, it will ask you something to select, and then the share button will enable to you.
Okay, it's just go to the zip line and just do there. డాక్యుమెంట్ కి వెళ్ళమంటున్నా. బై సిస్టమ్ ఏంటో స్లో ఉందండి నాది.
I think you have to do some lot of cleanup.
Yeah, I think it's lot of junk in it.
Yes.
Okay.
We do cleanup. If you just give a sharing, we'll do cleanup also.
Okay. అదే కదా షేరింగ్ రావట్లేదు. చాలా
should get that. And last time you did the same thing.
Yeah, I did. I was able to do it today. It's my system is like giving me a hard time.
Yeah.
Wait. Let me see. మీరు క్లాస్ చెప్తున్నారు. I don't want to disturb the class.
But I want to, because you have to do this, right? That zipping and unzipping. I want to show you how to unzip the files. That's fine. I'm waiting for you to do this unzip.
ఇప్పుడు పంపియండి ఒక్కసారి, one more time.
Naraz garu కొంచెం క్లాస్ లో ఉన్నాను, మళ్ళా చేయనా? హాఫ్ అన్ అవర్. So I'm giving again. Make presenter. So now you are the presenter. Just check now.
I'm getting this piece, but share button రావట్లేదు. షేర్ కి
enable అవ్వట్లేదు.
Exactly.
It's not enabling. That means, so any in the share button above, any icons are there for you? Any icon, something is there?
Your entire screen, your application window, and
select entire screen. Select entire screen.
చేస్తున్నానండి, అదే నన్ను చేయనీయట్లేదు. దానిపైన నొక్కని.
What other things are there?
Application window.
Entire screen.
Chrome tab. డౌన్లోడ్స్ ఉన్నాయి, అండ్ యువర్ ఎంటైర్ స్క్రీన్ షేర్ కి అలౌ చేయట్లేదు బటన్.
So I'll do one thing. I'll give an organizer to you. I'm making organizer to you. Then you can share. Now you can see, you can click on share screen. I think we lost you. Now we made organizer to you. You can just you have option, share screen option now. Click on screen option. You have a screen option will be there. Click on screen option. No? Again we lost you. Okay.
ఒక స్క్రీన్ ఆప్షన్ ఇక్కడ పెడతాను, ఆగండి, నేను పంపిస్తాను స్క్రీన్ అని వస్తుంది కదా, స్క్రీన్ అని ఉంటుంది కదా, షేర్ ఇక్కడ మీకు నేను వీడియో కాల్ చేసి చూపిస్తాను. ఇట్స్ నాట్ గివింగ్ మీ. మీరు ఫోన్ ఉందా మీ దగ్గర పక్కన రమేష్ గారు?
yes, call me.
రమేష్
ఏం రావట్లేదు.
పంపిస్తున్నాను మీకు. వస్తుందా రింగ్?
ఓకే, గాట్ ఇట్. ఇక్కడ స్క్రీన్ ఆప్షన్ ఉంది చూసారా?
అదే అండి స్క్రీన్, ఎంటైర్ స్క్రీన్ కదా.
అప్లికేషన్ విండో సెలెక్ట్ చేసుకోండి. అప్లికేషన్ విండో సెలెక్ట్
అప్లికేషన్ విండోస్ ఇదే కదా.
సెకండ్ వన్.
ఓకే, షేర్ కి అది చూడండి రావట్లేదు.
1 minute మీరు మిస్టేక్ ఎక్కడ చేస్తున్నారంటే, మీరు యువర్ విండో ఫస్ట్ ఆప్షన్ సెలెక్ట్ చేయండి చెప్తాను. ఫస్ట్ ఆప్షన్ సెలెక్ట్ చేయండి. ఇప్పుడు క్లిక్ చేయండి, కింద బాటమ్ లో ఉంది కదా ఆ విండో సెలెక్ట్ చేయండి.
మ్యూట్ చేస్తా ఇక్కడ. చెప్పండి ఏంటి? కెమెరా ఆఫ్ చేశాను, సారీ. చెప్పండి.
ఆ విండో అది సెలెక్ట్ చేయండి. ఆ విండో అని ఉంది కదా, ఆ విండోని సెలెక్ట్ చేయండి.
ఇదా?
క్లిక్ చేయండి, దాని మీద క్లిక్ చేయండి.
వచ్చిందా?
Okay, now I can see. Okay, we can close this. Now I can see your screen. Now you go to your folder D drive, see downloads. Okay. So now that's a zip file, right? Just select that. Select
the first one, right?
Right click. Now you can close this call. Okay. Now you cut it. There is a cut option. Select the cut option. Now you go to your C drive. Now you go to your C drive and Selenium info folder you created. You created any folder?
Yeah.
No, go inside the folder. No.
Oh, okay.
Go inside the folder. That's what the mistake is. You already placed it, right? Compressed zip file, it is there already.
Okay.
So now I'll show you. Now don't click that. It will not go back. Little bit go back. One step.
How do I go back?
There is the arrow icon on the top. Can you see that at the top? There is the arrow icon, up arrow icon or back arrow icon. Not there. In the folder, in the files where you open. Yeah, that one. Yeah. You can go back. You can front. You can do whatever you want. So now what we are going to do? We are going to unzip now. This is the zip file. How do you know this zip file? There is a file type, a compressed zip. Compressed zip means it's a zip file. Okay. Now we need to unzip it. If you unzip, so it will create another folder. Right now, right click on that folder. Right click. So there is the option extract all. You can see third option, madam, from top, third, fourth. Click on extract. Click extract, bottom side. Button is there, extract button. Click on that. So it will take some time. Unzip it. That's unzipping. Now just go back one step, go back. Just click on up arrow icon, up arrow. Yes. Now see, two files are there. Can you see two files? One is the file folder, one is the compressed. You see both, right?
Yes, I do.
Yeah. So now after unzip, you will get a file folder. You will get a file folder with the same name. Okay. So file folder inside, you go inside, file folder inside, you have a lot of files. Click on that. Click, not select, double click or open, whatever it is. Just double click, okay? Just double click. Yeah, it will open like this. Here you have a lot of files. These files you can use. Again, you go to subfolder, libs folder. Libs folder, again another folders are there. Double click on the libs folder. There is a folder, libs folder. Double click. Yeah, see that this is how you can move to one folder to other folder. You want to go back, click on the back button, back arrow icon, right? The back arrow icon, like this. And here now you can see there is a 2 jar files, executable jar files. Jar file. There is a jar file, file type jar. 2 are there, right? You want to move these 2 files to libs folder inside. How can you move?
Click
You
on that
select-
and then, yeah, select it.
Control X you can do and paste it in the libs folder.
Now should I press the control? Select chesi?
Select
Control X.
Control X.
I did.
You can select both. You can select both also. No, not like that. Not like that. Select means one time only you need to press. Then Control X you do. Control X.
I did.
Or cut anything you can do. Now you go to libs folder inside, you paste it. Libs folder, there only libs folder is there, na? Libs folder, yeah. Double click on that. Double click on that. Yeah, paste it. Control V. Just Control V. Control V. Just do Control V. That's it. See, that file copied here. And you go to one level back and copy other file also. Cut and another jar file, that also. Another jar file, that also. You cut it.
Control X. Yeah.
Control X. Control X is the shortcut. You don't need to right click and select first file. No. You cannot do any file. You have to do which file you want to cut. That file you have to select first.
So
which
now
file you want to
click on
jar
that.
file, right?
Yeah.
First select one time. Just one time you click on that.
Control X.
Now Control X. After selecting one, you have to do Control X. Then you go to the which folder. You're making mistake.
Okay.
So double click on that. Double click. You want to go to particular folder inside, double click.
Okay.
And paste it.
Control V.
Control V.
I did.
So you have to, your cursor should be on this folder. Control V didn't happen. Is it happened? Is it copied?
No, it did not happen. No.
Because you didn't do it properly. Go back one more time. Go back one more time. Select the file. Select the file first. Now right click. If you are not doing properly, right click. Cut.
Okay.
On that file, you right click.
Control X.
Control X is the shortcut.
Okay.
Or you right click also. Control X you did properly.
Now
you go to the folder. Which folder you want to paste this? Double click on that folder. Folder always you have to double click if you want to open folder. You double click the folder. Now paste it. Control V you do. That's it.
I got it. Yeah.
That's how to copy paste in one place to other place. Okay. So these are the steps we need to follow, how to copy and unzip the files. These are important for us in the real time. Okay. And let me take back. I'll show you a few more. And let me write the steps completely. And the steps. Precondition is you should have a zip file in your folder. Okay, that's it. You should have a zip file in your folder.
Okay. Should I close this now? The tab?
You know, now you can close. So you can see my screen now, right?
Yeah.
You can see my screen now. Okay. Now first step is what we should do. Right click on the file. So anyway, you will get all these things in our blog. You can just watch whenever you are doing. Right click on the zip compressor file. Compressor file. Then second step, choose extract all option. Or you have one more 7-zip also you can install. I'll show you how to install 7-zip. 7-zip also is used to unzip the files. Okay, you can compress or you can unzip it. So 7-zip is another software. If you have that software in your system, you can compress or you can unzip it. Both you can do. Extract all option, then click on extract. Click on extract button. So all the files will be, another file will be created for us. Another file folder will be created. File folder with the same zipped file name. Another folder will be created. Another file folder will be created with the same zipped file name. So same zipped file name will be there for file folder. So that's how to unzip the zip file. Now, so next section, I'll show you now how to install some softwares. How to install some softwares. So next thing is how to install softwares. How to install a software in your system. In your system or laptop. Okay. Preeti, you have all the browsers, Chrome browser, Firefox browser you have already?
ఇప్పుడు ఉన్నాయండి, అన్ని ఉన్నాయి, రెడీ ఉన్నాయి.
Okay, then browser we don't need to download. I'll show you how to download the 7-zip file, or Notepad++ will download. Notepad++. It's like a Notepad. Okay, Notepad++ is the advanced one. It will support all the different formats. That's a Notepad++. So we'll download the Notepad++. So Notepad++, how to use, you can write any code, write any statements, any data you can write in the Notepad++. It's like a Notepad, but Notepad++ is an advanced one. The advanced one will support any kind of formats. So let's download Notepad++. I'll just show you how to download Notepad++. So first step is download Notepad++ software. You do along with me so that you will get Preeti. Otherwise you won't get Notepad++ software. So for that, what we need to do? How to download any software you want? What you need to do? We don't know, right, where it is. You just go to open a Google in the website. Open the Google website, google.com in the browser. So google.com you open. We are going to ask Google to give the Notepad++ software. It will give us. Open the google.com in the browser. Next, it's in the Google edit box, search edit box. So type the Notepad++ in search edit box. Then press enter key. Press enter key from keyboard. Okay. So let's see these things. I'll show you now. I'll open a one tab. How to open a new tab? Control tab, Control T you press. You will get it. Now open google.com. Type google.com. Control T, if you, another tab will open for you, man. Already opened. Now you just type Google. Google.com. Google, google.com. Press enter key. Google.com. Now Google website is open to you. Are you ready, Preeti, with these steps? Preeti, are you ready with this step? You open a new tab.
Yes.
Then you open a google.com website.
Yes.
Now in the search edit box means this one, madam. This is the search edit box. Okay. This is the search edit box. You can type here Notepad++. Just type Notepad++. NOTEPAD. PAD. Automatically suggestions will give you. You can choose from there. ++. Shift plus. That's the
Yeah, it says download.
Space download. Just select this. You can choose from here. Just arrow down you use and just press enter key.
Yeah, it
So
says downloads Notepad++. అదే కదండి?
Yeah, this one. So you just go down, click on this first link. Okay.
Yeah.
first link.
Then it says
See,
downloads. Then it got so many notepads plus 7.9.3.
you have, right? So many you have, right? So we can choose one of them, not necessary all, right? You choose one. So downloads, you choose first one, right? You can choose first one. Just click on the 7.9.3 release. Click on this.
And then it says start now, right?
So then you have a download option. You can see the download button. You can click on download button here. So download. Can you see this download button?
ఒక్క నిమిషం ఆగండి ఇది చేస్తే అది కనిపించదు అది చేస్తే ఇది కనిపించదు ఓకే ఐ గాట్ ఇట్ యా
Got it? Click on download. Click on download. So the download is exe file is downloaded. Can you see exe file? Downloaded exe file. When you click on download, you got an exe file. Where you can find whether it is downloaded. You go to downloads folder. You don't need to worry.
It got npp 7.9 install x.exe వచ్చిందండి
npp 7.9.3 installer. This is an
Yeah.
application means it's a .exe file. Okay, so .exe file is done. Just double click on this.
ఓకే on the
Open
bottom
a window for you. It will open a window for you.
it's opening. Do you want to allow this app to make
Yes.
changes to your device?
Yes. Yes. Click on
Okay.
yes. Then
Yeah.
click on, you will get a installer language. Which language you want?
English okay
English. Okay, click OK.
okay then it says welcome to notepad plus 7.9 setup next and కొట్టాలా
Yeah, next.
It's recommended. Yeah I agree
Okay, just do that.
okay I
Right?
did.
So continue installation.
It says
Okay.
C program files లో ఉందంటున్నారు నెక్స్ట్
Continue next only. You just do next.
install then the
So
final was install కదా
Install. That's it. It will
Okay.
install your software.
create shortcut on desktop అని వచ్చిందండి ఒక కాలమ్ do not use
You can, if you want shortcut, every time you don't want to type here on Notepad++, right? Otherwise,
Okay.
you have to find it. Notepad++. I need to type like this.
okay
Here, you have to type, and you can choose. If your shortcut is there, you can click on shortcut. It will open to you. So you can do a shortcut also. If you want shortcut, you can keep. Otherwise, leave it. No problem.
yeah just finishing yeah it got finished and
That's it. How to install Notepad++, all those things.
మొత్తం ఇది C dot slash program files అని ఏదో వచ్చిందండి
Everything it will install in the C drive program files only.
okay
Whatever the software you are installing, that will be shown, that will be installed under C program files only.
okay then X కొట్టేస్తున్నా
That's it. Over.
okay
You successfully installed, you will get a message, right?
yeah
That's it. That's the installation is over. Okay. How to open that? You can open just Notepad. Just type in the search Notepad++, and you can open Notepad++. That's how to open a installed software. Whether it is there or not, you can find it here. Okay.
yeah ఉందండి యాప్ వచ్చేసింది
That's it. You can open and you can write whatever the content you want. See that I'm using so many files I opened like this. Any kind of files you can open, and so many tabs you can open here. And you have again file, you can open a new file, you can open an existing file, you can create a new file, you can save the content, you can save as, you can save a new file, you can rename that, you can close that file, whatever you want. See that so many tabs I open, right? Like this you can open. Multiple tabs you can open. All will be shown to you. Okay. That's the advantage with this file or Notepad++. Notepad++ supports many type of files. A text file it supports, a different other file formats like other programming language formats also it supports. That's how Notepad++, one useful software where you can write your data and you can save different formats. Okay.
okay అండి
That's a Notepad++ advantage. Okay. So the other thing, I want to show you a few more things here. how to shut down, you know, right? How to shut down, how to restart your computer.
Oh yeah.
That I don't need to tell, right?
No, you don't have to.
Okay, fine. Next, where you can find, you install the softwares. Now some software you want to uninstall, where you can find it?
It's in the downloads లో ఉంటుందండి.
No,
The
no. So
C.
install, no. In the downloads, only downloaded files will show,
Okay.
but installed software won't show there.
Okay.
But where you can find that is you have to type control panel. But let's finish this. What we need to do, how to download the software we are writing right somewhere, and we'll finish that. Okay. Press enter key. How to install software in your press enter key from the keyboard. Go to the right website and click on choose the version. First you have to choose the version. Choose the right version of the software. Then click on downloads. Click on downloads. So then exe file will be downloaded. So what type of file? Dot file name dot exe file will be. File name dot exe is downloaded. So open, double click on, go to the downloads folder. Go to the downloads folder. Okay, just double click on. So the application is the exe file. Okay, so double click on software application file. Application file means .exe file. Okay, application, double click on software application, so it will open to you. Now finish the installations. So open the Windows application. Proceed with the installation. Okay, let's proceed with the installation. That's how to install software. Okay, so the next one is how to uninstall software. So the next step is how to uninstall software. Particular software you don't want, how to uninstall software in your system. You download, you install the software, right? How to uninstall it? So how to uninstall the software? Particular software we want to uninstall. How to uninstall? First, the precondition is it should be installed. Okay. Now, first step, go to the control panel. So how can you go to the control panel? Maybe I'll write that step also. Type control panel in the bottom left side search bar. Go to the control panel next. That's a step. So let me show you here. The second step is here in the bottom. Can you see here the search? Type here to search. Just type here control panel. This is a control panel. Okay. Just double click on this. So double click, it will open a control panel to you. So this is the control panel. So control panel, this one. You have the programs here. So he install a program is there, right? You have a programs. Click on programs. Next, click on programs and features will be there. Programs. So third step, click on programs and programs and features. Then click on programs and features. Fourth one, you click on programs and features. See, all the softwares you install, it will show here. All the softwares you install, it will show here. Then choose one, right? Choose one of your software which you want to uninstall. So for example, I want to uninstall this Git version. So what I'll do, I'll select the file. I'll select the software first. So write the steps. Select the software which you want to uninstall. Right? Then, so I selected here Git. So I want to uninstall this. So I selected, see that selection, it will be shown to you clearer which one is selected. Then go to uninstall, click on uninstall, click on uninstall. See that the window will open to you like this. Are you sure you want to completely remove Git and all of its components? Yes, click on yes. You want to uninstall, do that. So just click on uninstall and it will ask you, so do you want to one confirmation, it is asking final. So if you click yes, it will continue uninstallation. Do you want to uninstall completely? So click yes button. So I'm doing yes. Click yes button. So it will start uninstalling. It will uninstall. Okay, this is how to uninstall the softwares, any software. You can find all the installed softwares. Now you install the Notepad++, right? You want to uninstall it. You go to control panel, programs and features, select the software and uninstall it. So whichever you don't need, you can uninstall it. Okay. See, there's Git was successfully removed from your computer. Done. And you can see that you cannot find now Git. See that Git is not here. It is removed completely. And check that whether it is there or not. It should not be here. If it is there, that's a problem. It should not present. Once you uninstall, it should not present here. Okay, that's it. Today's still we have few more, and tomorrow I'll explain few more things. Any questions?
ఐఎమ్ గుడ్ అండి. ఇప్పుడు ఇవన్నీ మీరు ఈ ప్రొసీజర్స్ ఇవన్నీ రాస్తున్నారు కదండి, ద వన్ యూర్ రైటింగ్ దిస్, వేర్ డు ఐ ఫైండ్ ఆల్ అప్డేట్స్?
It's on our blog.
In our blog, okay.
So you can see that. Let me show you our blog. So Ramesh QA automation platform, and you can say you can find under labels. You can find under labels. So there is a label section under our bottom side, in the right hand side. So these are the labels. Can you see here labels section? This is the label section. Under label section, you can find computer basics.
Okay, basics level.
You click on this computer basics, it will show you all. What is the computer, parts of the computer, and all these things you can find here. So I prepared a notes nicely. You can go through this thing. Everything will be given properly. Okay.
Okay, Andy.
And you will see that all the computer operations I created here. So printer, scanner, speakers. So this computer operations, computer inside operations, how to create a folder, how to create a file. So all this I have clearly given here, right? You can see all of them, right?
Okay, thank you.
So if you need still anything you need in the computer, let me know. We'll cover tomorrow. Specifically, okay. Ramesh gar, I need this one. Then I will tell that. I'll explain you that how to do that. Okay?
Yeah.
It will be beneficial for you. So what you are looking